Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a creamy potato soup. This soup is ultra creamy and comforting. In a large pot or Dutch oven, add in your bacon and cook over medium-high heat until the bacon is crispy. I'm using turkey bacon. You want to use 8 slices of bacon and dice them up. My husband ordered me a Dutch oven, but it hasn't come in yet. If you have a Dutch oven, I would love to hear how you like it. I'm so excited to use mine. Then remove the bacon to a bowl and set aside. You want to leave the grease in the pot, but if you're using turkey bacon like I did, there won't be any grease, so just add some oil in your pot. Then add in 1 small diced yellow onion and cook until softened and translucent. Then add in 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for additional 30 seconds or until fragrant. Now stir in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour until a paste forms, and allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until a light golden color. This cooks the flour. Then pour in 4 cups of chicken broth. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. 1 cup of milk. I'm using almond milk. 1 cup of heavy cream. Then add in 3 pounds of diced potatoes. I'm using gold potatoes. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Stir to combine and bring the pot to a simmer and cook, stirring occasionally until the potatoes are softened and easily mashed. Then turn the heat off and use an immersion blender. Blend the soup until most of the potatoes are blended and the soup is creamy. Now if you don't have an immersion blender, then carefully pour portions of the soup into a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. Then return the soup to the pot after blending. Now you're going to add in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/3 cup of sour cream, and the bacon. Give it a stir to combine and the soup is ready. You can serve it with an additional toppings of your choice. We like to top it off with some more shredded cheese, some more bacon, and some diced green onion. This soup is extra creamy and comforting. I really hope you guys enjoyed this creamy potato soup. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'll also leave the full recipe of these homemade bread bowls in the description below as well. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to make these homemade bread bowls, the recipe will be right here and another one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!